Hi, hello, aloha cruisers. Our 2027 Seascape Southern Soirée. It's officially live and the itinerary is unreal. We're sailing May 15th to the 23rd, 2027 on the newly amplified Allure of the Seas. We're going to stop in Aruba, Curaçao, Cabo Rojo, DR, and of course, last but not least, perfect day at CocoCay. It's a perfect day in CocoCay. Interior cabins are starting at $25.85 total for two, and that includes a $50 onboard credit. We also have exclusive pricings for Central Park balconies, Boardwalk balconies, and Oceanview balconies. There's a $50 deposit. It's due by June 27th to hold your room. If you want to go on this unforgettable Southern Caribbean adventure with us, all the details are below. I'd love to have you on board the Seascape Southern Soirée. Let me know comment down below. Get a hold of me. Rooms are going fast. Thank you. Have a great day.